So DJI just launched our latest drone, and today I'm gonna show you that piece of thing which is lesser than the weight of my iPhone and performs so much of things during its fair environment. Hi, my name is Suraj and you all are watching Indica Lens. It's been a while, but I thought why not, it's a good way to start. So today I'm going to talk about 5 good things about DJI Mini 2. So without further wasting your time, you know what, let's begin. This drone comes in a bag like this. This bag is actually a very worth a bag. It's a very good quality material with the piece of linen, and the chain is very good and easy to carry, it's very easy to carry. So let's open this bag and see what we get inside this bag. So this looks something like this. So my drone is like this. Look at the size of this drone. I don't know whether my camera is able to do the justice. So let's talk about 5 best points about this drone. So the first thing I would say is its weight. It's lighter than my iPhone, as I said in the beginning, and yeah man, this fits perfectly in my palm. So new drone comes in a fly mode combo, which I showed you the bag, and it comes with the 3 battery pack like this. So you got 1, 2, 3 batteries, and then this is the latest remote, how it looks like. It looks pretty good to me, and it's very neat. It's heavier than my drone actually, and bigger than the drone actually. So in terms of size, it's same, but in terms of this proportion, it's smaller. So this is pretty rugged, and over here you get a little bit of rubbery material for a better gripping. You get one wheel over here for zoom in and zoom out function, and then you get this remote antenna like this, which is pretty good, and it fits your phone as well. So you can fit your phone over here if you want to, and basically you have to, and then the wire sticks in over here. So in my next video I'm probably gonna go more detail about the remotes and the accessories, but in this video I'm gonna keep it short. So those sticks are like this. So it comes here, and you take the sticks out and you put it over here and you tighten up, and then when you're done you put it back like this. It stays really fit and tight. You charge your charger from here, which is USB-C, which is very good. So you can travel and charge it during your biking, and you can charge multiple amount of things like your GoPro and like this drone. So second thing which I would talk about, it's 4K capabilities. You saw the intro footage pics, and the footage looks amazing with the 4K at 30 frames per second. This drone is a beast now. Now let's talk about its Occusync 2.0. The Occusync 2.0, DJI use it in pretty much all the lineup. Occusync 2.0 is the best technology which they use it in their top version, but recently the DJI started putting the same technology in its tinier version, which is this. So let's talk about the third point, the new wind resistance. So it can resist up to 36 km per hour, I think so. Before it was 25, now it is about 36 or 35. If I'm wrong, correct me in the comment section. So but I'm pretty sure, but this drone now has a better capacity when it comes about wind resistance. So this is a very good feature again. And the last feature would be, it comes in the battery pack, as I said, which makes sure that I have multiple amount or ample amount of juice before I died out completely, and 3 batteries make sure that I'm charging it on go, so I don't lose out the juice. So pretty much my drone is flying all the time in the air. It's about, I would say roughly, DJ claims about 31 minutes, but I still would say 25 minutes or 20 minutes, 20 to 25 roughly minutes this one battery can last. So altogether it's a very good and great compact. This entire fly mode combo costed me about $824 after tax, and with that it gives you a lot of benefits. 4K especially, it's a great thing. It now has 100 megabits per second shooting mode, which makes it even powerful. It shoots a lot more content during 1 second in mathematical way, but it means it has more potential of getting more vibrant colors and a lot of things at the same time. I'm actually very happy that I have this package, and you know what, aerial photography, aerial filmmaking makes your footage look really good. I mean, it gives you a deeper, wider perspective to your entire footage. So in my personal opinion, DJI has done a really great job. This is definitely for beginners, and 100% I would say if you are a content creator, like an independent content creator like me, and you don't do stuff for money making, you just do it for fun more than a hobby, and this drone is a full-on package for you. 100% you should have this in your bag. Compared to its older brother, I would still say if you own that and don't want much of change in your footage, I would still not recommend selling that and getting this one. But if you're first time trying to buy a drone and want to experience something really good, this is the thing for you. There is no drone company which gives you a 4K at this price point and at this weight category, so makes it very much interesting. The reason I talk about the weight category is because anything which is under 249 or 250 gram is considered as a nano category drone. So that means I do not have to register it anywhere pretty much in the world, and I can still fly it within certain restrictions, but I will still get some aerial footage if I plan my shots and if I do some creative stuff. In my next video, I'm going to talk more detailed things about this drone and the accessories. But if you guys anyhow like this video, give it a thumbs up, like this video, share it among your friends. Hope you guys enjoy this video. See you guys in my next video. Till then, peace out.